Tips on shaving down there or anywhere. Let's talk about it.
Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me in a moment.
So let's talk about shaving. Shaving tips for smoother, softer skin for your vajayjay, for your legs, or armpits, for anywhere. So shaving is your preference. You don't have to shave if you don't want to shave, you know. You never want to dry shave. First of all, that's weird. Like, who dry shaves anyway? Like, isn't that painful? Yeah, so never, ever, ever, ever dry shave, for one. And you never want to just shave with just plain water. That's just going to mess your skin up completely. But for the vajayjay, you always want to use water and like shaving cream. But honestly, guys, I don't use shaving cream. I shave with conditioner. Weird, right? But it works, trust me. Always shave with either oil. Like, okay, so if I'm in a hurry and, for instance, you know, my legs aren't shaved, whatever, I don't feel like hopping in the shower, so I will shave my legs with coconut oil. Also, you never want to shave like going sideways or like towards the way the hair grows. It's gonna cause razor bumps and you're not gonna get a close shave. You want to exfoliate, 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 exfoliate. It just, you know, leaves your skin super soft. It gets rid of the dead skin. Like, you can even make your own like sugar scrub with sugar and like your favorite oil, olive oil, coconut oil. And that's a great, you know, trust me guys, just try it. It's awesome. Exfoliate and washcloths, that's also really good for down there. Just, you know, just scrub it up, exfoliate. Shaving with a men's razor is the best you can do for yourself. The more blades, the better. More blades, the better. Like, trust me. Like, yeah, I really feel like, why aren't guys' razors and female razors the same? I feel like this should be just unisex. I feel like, cause like, if they want to, we want a close shave down there, and you know, everywhere else too, whatever. So why can't we have that either? Like, so more blades, the better. What else? If you suffer from like, you know, constantly getting razor bumps, after you shave, you know, try putting Neosporin down there on the vajayjay area. Or listen guys, aloe vera gel is amazing for razor bumps. Like, if you suffer from razor bumps, try it. You will love me. Thank me later. Have smoother, softer skin. Like, after you shave, just slap on some aloe vera gel down there, or anywhere, your legs, your armpits, and you'll be smooth, like hair wear. And also guys, girls, you always want to use a fresh razor when you shave. I know razors are so pricey, but like, a fresh razor will give you the closest, smoothest shave. Always let your skin soften before you shave. So like, for instance, like, you know, shave your legs or your hoo-ha last, like after you like bathe your body in the shower or whatever. Your skin gets soft. Everyone has their preference on shaving or not. I shave because I feel like I smell better. Like I said, hair traps in odor and bacteria, so that's why I personally shave. But yeah, like, these tips work for every part of your body, like your armpits, you know, your legs, and your hoo-ha. Literally, like the exfoliate and scrub, like on your armpits, your legs, you know, the oil, coconut oil. And me personally, whatever guys. So this is like my shaving routine when I shower. So like, I would shower, you know, first I would wash my face, wash my body, let my skin get soft, and then I would go to my legs first. And like I said, usually I use conditioner for my legs, well, for my whole, like when I shave. I shave my legs first, and I go to my armpits. And isn't it weird that I have like a razor for each body part? Yeah. But I ain't gonna lie, for my armpits and my legs, I use like a regular, cheaper razor. But for like my hoo-ha, I use like a men's razor, cause I want a close shave. And ladies, like, you know, it's summertime, you know, you want to show them legs off, you want them to be soft and silky, them armpits off, and you know, you want your vajayjay, you know, cut, you know, low, for your boo thing. And it's hot. Who wants hair down there when it's hot outside? Not me. Yes, but what else, girls? What else? And also, ladies, like, when I exfoliate my body, I exfoliate literally like, I have like this exfoliating washcloth, so I just, you know, do my whole body like, you know, every night with that. And when I do my exfoliating scrubs, like I use sugar, like 1 teaspoon of sugar and like 2 teaspoons of olive oil or coconut oil. And that just goes like on my armpits after I shave and on my legs and on my hoo-ha. And I do that about, I want to say like once a week, making the actual like scrub. Shave often, you know, like I feel like you get the closest shave when you already have a pretty low, like when your hair's just going back. Shave it off, right? Like get back to it, like shave again. And also, girls, when you're shaving, slow and steady wins the race. Take your time, don't rush it. Just, you know, slow strokes. You know, just don't go fast. You'll cut yourself. And you'll leave like, you know, patches of hair and you'll leave stubble. So just take your time, ladies, and go nice and slow. And always, ladies, you want to put on a pretty thick, you know, body butter or lotion after you shave, or like a really good oil after you shave. And ladies, if your hair is long, you want to trim your hair before shaving, like get scissors, or I know one razor has like a little like I guess you could say like a men's razor on the back of it, like an electric razor. Like trim your hair before shaving. Use a good quality razor. Swap your shaving cream for conditioner or oil. Always moisturize after shaving. Shave gently, don't rush it, ladies. Slow and steady wins the race. Shave in the direction of hair growth. And don't exfoliate after shaving. Remember, like exfoliate throughout the week, you know, before you shave. Don't exfoliate after you shave. Alright, ladies, but that's it for this video. I hope you guys have some good tips out of here. But catch me next time. Peace.
Yeah.